Hi everybody, here comes an episode of 60 Seconds Smokin'.
Smokin', sous, sommelier-ish, ukulele J.
Start with some beautiful grass-fed beef. You want to go medium rare at 125, 126 degrees. Look at that beautiful marbling. We're going to use some extra virgin olive oil and coat those steaks really good. We're going to use that to hold the seasoning on and to keep that meat moist during the smoke process. Apply your seasoning to both sides of the meat. Make sure you get a good coating. Don't forget your coarse ground black pepper. Fire up that smoker or grill and set your temp for 250 degrees. Make sure you monitor your meat because we don't want to cook it past 125 before we pull it off. Here I am, ready to go. Look at that goodness right here. That's the smoking we're looking for. Now we're getting the onions ready. Paprika all over and using my favorite herb salt. Don't ask me how to pronounce it. Now we're going to go ahead and put that all over, and that salt's going to extract the moisture and get a nice caramelization going as you cook those onions down. Look at that nice golden brown goodness. Don't forget to watch those temps. Remember, 125. That smoker is looking so good and it smells fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and take our steaks off at this point. We're at 125, ready to go inside. Going to do our sear on our hex-clad pan for an incredible dish. Here's the steaks right as we put them in the pan. Look at how beautiful those look, and the sear at the end is absolutely amazing. We're going to plate the dish with our caramelized onions and some veggies and scintillation. Look at that meal. Unbelievable medium rare beef. Gotta love it, folks.
Smokin', sous, sommelier-ish, ukulele J.